Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Farhana's World. Today I had created this look. You can see this is a pure Indian look. Indian festive season is coming. So I'm thinking why shouldn't create this look. So I create this look for you guys. If you love this tutorial, please DM me, let me know. And this is a pure glittery smoky eye tutorial. Hope you love this look. If you love this look, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. I already add some concealer for my eyelid. Okay, now I'm taking the light brown shade for my crease line. Just blend it properly, blend it. Blending is the key of eye makeup, guys. Then I'm taking a dark brown color for my crease line. Then I'm lining my upper line with a sugar black color pencil. Just gently lined and just blend it properly. After that I'm going to use, see, first of all blend it. I already told you that blending is a key of makeup. Then I'm taking a light concealer for cut crease. Cut crease is the main key, and while you are doing cut crease, please have some patience and do it properly. Then I'm taking a golden color shimmer, and then I'm taking a black color for my outer corner and inner corner. Just blend it. After that I'm taking a glitter glue for adding some glitter and pop out some colors. Then I'm taking a highlighter from Huda Beauty and just highlight my brow bone. This look is pure golden smoky look. You can create this look for your for your special occasion like your wedding. Then I'm creating a wing eyeliner. Wing eyeliner is very good for this look. Then I'm taking a primer is from Moa Cosmetics, and this is oil-based primer. Guys, if you have too much oily, then you can avoid this. I have also oily skin, but still it's goes on my skin, so I'm applying this. After that I'm taking a dark color concealer for hide my acne marks, pimples, whatever you called. After that I'm taking a Huda Beauty foundation, which is my shade. Just taking little, then apply, then blend it properly. After that I'm going to use a contour is from Forever 52. You can see that I have a very round face, so contouring is must for my skin. That's why I'm using contour. And you can, if you have like a little face, then you can skip this part, but I have a very broad face and round face, so I have to do it while I'm doing makeup, of course. Then I am taking a cream blusher, which is from Love Art. I always use this blusher for my cheeks and lips. Then I am adding some powder. Powder is from Laura Mercier, which is good for bridal purpose, also self makeup. Then I am adding some color kajal pencil from a waterline and just smudge it properly. Yeah, my eye makeup is almost done. After finishing with this mascara, the mascara is from Too Faced. Guys, Too Faced mascara is very good. Then I'm adding one, what is called eyebrow mascara. Yes, eyebrow mascara. And guys, as you know that I have a very thick brows, so I'm using only eyebrow mascara, then I'm using the blusher. After that I'm using the highlighter, of course, highlighter. Then I'm just contour my nose. I have a very little nose, so I have to contour it for sharpen out. Then you can see I'm using a brown lip color for my outline of the lip. Just fill the brown color on my lips. Then after I'm going to use a MAC light color for my lip. Here, just here is my makeup. My makeup is almost done. I'm going to use the fall lashes I use for through my off camera. This is my final look. Hope you love this look.